All right, now we're on letter G. Mommy G and baby G. Okay, so the sounds of letter G is g, g. Good. Can you do it? All right. Now, the example is g, g. Good. Girl. All right. Now, this is letter. Good job. It's letter G. And what is the sound? Good. G, g. All right. So, we're done with the letter G. Next is letter H. Okay? Letter H. Mommy H. Baby H. Okay, so the sounds of letter H is good. Can you do it? Good job. Okay, the example of letter H is hat. Good job. Okay, so what letter is this again? Letter? Good. Letter H, mommy H, and baby H. Good job. Okay, next is letter I. Okay, so this is mommy I and baby I. Okay, the sounds of letter I is I. Okay, can you do it? Good. So the example of it is what is that? Do you know what is that? Okay, good job. It's igloo. Okay, igloo. Okay, so what is it again? This is letter. Good. It's letter I. And what is the sound? Good job. Okay, next. Okay, so who knows this one? Do you know what letter is this? Okay, so this is letter J. Good. J, mommy J, and baby J. The sounds of letter J is D, D. Good. Can you do it? What is the sound? Okay, how about what is the letter? What letter is this? Good job. It's letter J. And what is the example? Great. It's jar. Good job. All right, next is letter K. Mommy K and small letter K. The sounds of letter K is k, k. Yeah, it's the same with the letter C sounds. Yeah, letter C and letter K have the same sound. Okay, and the example of letter K, what is it? Do you know what is that? Yes, it's a k- k- kite. Yes, it's a kite. Okay, now let's review. What letter is it? It's letter. Yes, it's mommy K and baby K. And what is the sounds? Do you know? Do you remember? Good job. It's k, k. Right. Great. Now let's move on to the next letter. All right. This is letter L. This is baby L and mommy L. Okay. So the sounds of letter L is Yes. Again, you try it. Good. Right. And the example is uh, lion. Right. Good job. Okay, now let's review. What letter is it? Good. It's mommy L. How about the second one? It's baby L. Good job. And what is the sound? Good. All right. You got it. Okay, so this is letter M. Baby M. Yeah. And mommy M. Yes. Okay. The sounds of letter M is yeah, just like to say yummy. When you eat yummy ice cream, you say right? Okay. So the example. of letter M is mm, monkey. Yes, it's monkey. Yay. Okay, so what letter is this again? Letter? Yes, it's letter M. Mommy M. And how about the second one? Baby? Good job. And what is the sound? Great. Letter M. Monkey. Good. Next. Next is letter N. Okay. Baby N and mommy N. Okay, that's how you write the mommy N and then the baby N. Okay, so the sounds of letter N is mm. Good job. The example of letter N is mm, nuts. Okay, not. Okay, so what letter is this again? This is letter. Good job. What is the sound? Great. All right. So this is letter M. And what is the sound? Good. It's Good job. Now next letter. All right. So this is letter O. Mommy, baby O, and mommy O. Yes. And the sounds of letter O is o. Can you do it? What is the sound? Good job. And this is what letter is this again? Great. This is letter O. And what is the example of letter O? O. Octopus. Yes, it's octopus. All right. So this is letter. Great job. And what is the sounds again? Good. Octopus. Letter O. All right. So next letter. Okay, this is mommy P and baby P. All right, so the sounds of letter P is good. Can you do it? Can you say it? Good job. Can you say it without teacher saying? Great job. Okay, so this is letter? Yes, letter P. Baby P and right, mommy P. And the example of letter P is parrot. Good job. Great. So this is letter P. And the sounds of letter P is good job. P. Right. Okay, so next is mommy Q. Okay, so that's how you write the mommy Q. And the next is baby Q. All right. So the sound of mommy Q and baby Q is ku, ku. Can you do it? Ku, ku. Yes. And the example of letter Q is queen. Yeah. Ku, ku, queen. Good job. Okay, so what letter is this again? This is letter. Ooh, good. It's letter Q. And what is the sound? Good job. Okay, you got it. So next letter. All right, now we have letter R. Okay, so this is how you write the mommy R and then the baby R. Okay, the sounds of let letter R is Yeah, er. Okay, the sounds of letter R is Yes. So the example of letter R is r, rat. Good. What is it again? Okay, so this is letter. Good job. It's letter R. And what is the sounds? Yes, it's R. R. Yes, good job. Can you say it? Great. All right. Job well done. Okay, next letter is this is letter S. Okay, mommy S and baby S. Okay. Do you know what's the sound? The sound of letter S is S. Yes, just like the sound of the snake. Yes. The example of S is a snake. The sound of letter S is S. Yes. So let's see again. This is letter. Good job. It's letter S. And what is the sounds? Can you do it? Can you say it? Okay, good job. Letter S. The sound is S. Good. Good. Great job. Next is we have mommy T and baby T. Look at the tomato. Dancing tomato. Okay, so this is letter T and the sounds of letter T is t, t, t. Okay, can you do it? T, t. Yay, good job. Now, the example is yes, it's tomato. Okay, so letter. What letter is this again? This is letter. Yes, letter T. And what is the sound? Good job. Yay. All right, so we have the letter U. Okay, this is how you draw the baby U. And the next one is mommy you. Okay, that's the big one. Okay, the big one is mommy you. And the small one or the baby is the U. That's how you draw the baby U. Okay, the sound of letter U, just like the combination of letter A and letter O. Okay, the sound is, are you ready? Okay, the sound is uh, great. Okay, can you do it? Good job. Letter U. What is the sound? Yes, U. Uh, uh. Good. Now, the example of letter U is uh, uh, umbrella. Yes. Good job. Okay, what letter is this again? Yay. Good. How about the sound? Great job. Okay, next letter. All right, so the next letter is letter V. Okay, the sounds of mommy bee and the baby bee is V. Yeah, just like vibrating your mouth. Yeah, V. Yes. And the example of letter V is V, vase. Yes. Can you say it? Good job. So this is letter. Yes, it's letter V. And what is the sound? Yay! Good job. All right, so next. Okay, so next is W. Yeah. Why we say W? Because just like the how to draw the U, you make it double. That is why W. Yes. Okay, so mommy U, mommy W, I mean, mommy W and baby W. All right. So the sounds of W is wah, wah, wah. Okay, wah, wah, wah. And the example of it is wah, wah. Good job. Yes, it's a whale. Yay. Okay, so what letter is this again? This is letter. Yay. Great. How about the sound? Good job. All right, so next letter. Okay, next is we have letter X. Yes, that's how you do it. So this is mommy X. That's how you write mommy X. And the small X, the baby X. Good. And the sounds of letter X is X, X. Yes. And the example of letter X is X-ray. Okay, so what letter is this again? This is letter. Great job. It's X. How about the sound? What is the sound? Great. It's X, X. Yes. Job well done. All right. So we have two letters to go. Okay, now let's move on. All right. This is letter Y. Okay. So mommy Y. That's how you write the mommy Y. Yeah. And then the baby Y. Okay. So the sound of letter Y is yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Can you do it? Yes. And the example of Y is yeah, yeah, yacht. Yes. Okay, so this is letter. Yay, that is letter Y. And how about the sound? Good job. Y. Yeah, yeah. Good. All right, so next letter. All right, now we have the last letter of the alphabet. So this is letter Z. Yay, Mommy Z. So that's how you write Mommy Z and baby Z. The sound of letter C is Z. Yeah, Z. And the example of letter Z is zebra. Yes, it is. Now, what letter is this again? Good job. It's letter Z. How about the sound? What is the sound? Can you say it? Good. Good job. All right. Now we're done with the alphabet. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa next video. Bye!